We're back talking about the ABCs of environmental law. We're in the C's, and there's a lot of them, so get ready. And today's C is for CARB, C-A-R-B, the California Air Resources Board. And this is one of the most influential environmental regulators in the country, even though you may not have heard of them. They're the ones driving a lot of California's air quality and climate policy, vehicle emission standards, fuel regulations, cap and trade programs. And because California's economic market is so large, it really can be the 500-pound gorilla of environmental and economic policy. That means that CARB's rules don't stay in California, they ripple outward. Now we have what we call California legal, as opposed to 49 state legal. So California will set standards for emissions control for vehicles, parts, and engines. And if you want to sell them in California, you have to meet those rigorous standards. So what often happens is that even if a manufacturer can sell a lower standard product elsewhere, it just makes better economic sense to meet the more rigorous California standard and sell one product everywhere in all 50 states. So that means even if you're not in California, you may still be following California rules. And if you're in California, if your business touches transportation, manufacturing, energy, even real estate development, CARB is shaping your operating environment. It's not just about regulating smokestacks. Increasingly, the agency is focused on indirect emissions, things like supply chains, vehicle fleets, energy usage. So this is where things get interesting and challenging, because the compliance picture isn't always obvious. When I talk to clients, I frame CARB less as a single regulator and more like a policy engine. Because if you understand where CARB is going, you can make smarter decisions and investments now instead of reacting and catching up later.